certified ascension coach Arshia Naina, and today we are reading from the card deck Sacred Destiny Oracle by Dennis Lin. Very interesting card reading. The cards are already pre shuffled and looks like separation is ending soon. So let's find out. The first card I received is Fulfillment. It's a beautiful card. Whenever this card arrives, there is a sure short fulfillment that happens. There is something that you have sowed and you are going to reap the fruit of that. Looks like you have sowed a lot of love into this relationship, into your union, and you will feel fulfilled and reap the fruit of that. That is the first starting itself. It is a confirmation that this is going to be fruitful and powerful. Not only this reading, but what you're going to reap. That is what I'm going to reveal by the end of this reading. Stay tuned and do leave a like and do leave your questions in the comments so that we can answer any heartfelt questions that is there. Leave a like to connect to the energy of the cards and feel free to leave your comments and questions so that I can add that in for the next reading. So, potential, the next card I have received is that the true potential will be shown now. The true potential of this connection will be revealed now. So there's a lot of divine energy flowing through this particular card deck and this particular reading, and there is something about your masculine which will be revealed. So yes, there is true potential in this relationship. If you are doubting, if you invest into this, there is 100% potential and fulfillment is guaranteed. That is what the first two cards are saying. So keep going, keep loving, keep investing into yourself because you come first. And when you invest into yourself, it is a natural investment into your twin flame because you and your twin flame are one at the core. So the next card is Flow. Be in flow. Here I'm seeing a full moon also. So again, emotions are coming up for me. It looks like the negative emotions are causing a bit of interruption in the flow. So do not be afraid of your negative emotions because those negative emotions do become the building blocks towards your twin flame union. And to process your negative emotions, do claim support. You can go to a ascension coach and receive support so that you can move through your emotions peacefully and lovingly and help you go back into divine flow, into the flow of life. A negative emotion does not have to hold you back from divine flow. The next card is for the divine masculine. It is based on what the divine masculine is going through. The next card I have received is love, and it's such a beautiful card. It's very vibrant. It's a lots of flowers, different types of flowers, roses, and it's a blue sky and lots of greenery. A very beautiful card. So here it shows that he is in love with you and he was in love with you the very moment he met you. He has always had feelings for you. This is what this card is saying. It's just very clear message from your masculine that he's in love and with you from the day he met you. This is very sweet. And the next card is Healing Chaos. So, once you find out there is love, of course, all the triggers come out and there is healing that happens. But here, Around the chaos, there are butterflies. They are showing many butterflies here, which means that chaos is not bad. It is okay to heal the chaos. And even if you and your masculine has had some chaos, all you have to do is heal it. Just simply heal it with mirror exercise. Mirror exercise is available in the book to finding your twin flame's ultimate lover. So go ahead and read chapter 5 and you will know how to heal your chaos between you and your person. So it's safe. Relationships are messy and it is a beautiful piece of art. And it is safe to heal this chaos so that you can come back into this love. This card, love, looks like a beautiful piece of art. And I'm not surprised that to create a beautiful piece of art, or even if you want to have beautiful garden, you need to touch the mud, and that doesn't feel very comfortable sometimes. It's just a part of the you will receive beautiful fruits, flowers, art from healing through this chaos. So do not worry about the chaos that has happened in the past between the both of you. Stay with the bigger picture, stay with the truth that there will be fulfillment, and stay at the core that there is love. If you can feel love for this person, then stay rooted in love, and love yourself. Invest into yourself, and if this person is yours, what is yours cannot be lost. It will always return back to you. Transformation is the next card. Looks like, yes, after all the chaos healing, your masculine's heart is opening, and also there's a beautiful butterfly here which has blossomed, and a beautiful rose here which represents like a solar plexus. So masculines is a lot connected to their gut and their solar plexus. So looks like their solar plexus is opening up and their heart is opening up at the same time, because it's very connected for them. Their gut feeling is what they work on because they're more action oriented. So looks like they are coming into their power and opening up their heart towards the truth, towards love, towards you, is what I am seeing here. And it is also a very pretty picture. So he is moving into the truth that, well, it's going to be a very pretty picture with you. It's going to be wonderful with you. This is what he has started to believe. So, yes, he is finally opening up. His heart is opening up. Not only very superficially, he's opening up, his heart and his core center is opening up. And it is wonderful for twin flames if the masculine's core center opens up, because that's when they start identifying you as their twin flame or as one, or they start choosing the union together with you. So trust, okay? So this is for the feminine. Trust that your masculine is going through this process. Trust and go ahead and continue your healing. Ground further into love. Trust and relax is what I'm getting, because the picture is a very relaxed state of the nature that I'm seeing here. And it's a very relaxing, scenic beauty that I'm seeing here. So it's very feminine. So it's important that the feminine to relax and trust that the divine will bring your masculine back to you with an open heart. Wow, what a beautiful message. This is gorgeous. So choose to trust. You can just call in a lot of trust into your heart that chaos was part of the healing and it will not come up again. If it comes up again, you definitely have support through mirror exercise, or you can claim an ascension coach, and you will have support, because relationship at every stage, at some levels, it is messy, and it is safe to go deeper into that mess, because a beautiful fulfillment or art or rose or a flower or a fruit will be born out of it, which you can enjoy with your masculine. And it is important to explore that, because it is never one line, right? Life is always like a ECG, EEG machine where it moves up and down. As I spoke the truth, the next card came in. That truth is that there is cycles. It's showing a slight cloudy sky, and it is showing a little bit of a autumn here. So life is a cycle. There will be winter, there will be autumn, there will be spring, there will be summer, and different seasons bring different elements into your life. So, your relationship is also like that. So, understand your cycle with your masculine, that okay, we healed through this, we had a really good time, and then you're moving into the next cycle. All right. So, don't think that you have gone back into something worse because a new cycle has started. It is only because you both are going deeper into your relationship. So, nothing to worry about. You are just going deeper, because in a love relationship, what is needed is vulnerability. Only then you can have great intimacy with your partner. To deepen the love, often all the negative blocks are mirrored, and it is natural that it will come out in cycles. So, when it is mirrored, if you bring love there, it is very simple. You will go deeper in love, and you will be able to be more vulnerable with each other. The next card is Voyage. So, those who are in this journey, those who have found their twin flame, those who are looking for their twin flame, those who are wondering what to do, take the journey. That's what I'm seeing, the voyage, because here it's already promised. The results are promised that separation is ending soon. You cannot receive anything without doing the work, right? Even a child will not receive without doing the work of walking. From crawling to walking, they have to do the work, right? They have to get up and then try and stand up and then fall. So everyone has to do the work. So don't be afraid to do the inner work. Inner work will not happen naturally. You will have to consciously go and do the inner work. For that, you need to consciously walk on this journey. And as far as you've heard, the results are going to be amazing, good, and the results are guaranteed. It is out of my own experience. I am in union with my twin flame, living happily ever after. This is the words I will use. So you can see, the older story of mine was that I was in separation, and I undoubtedly put my head down and I did the work. That is how I took the journey. I kept faith and took the journey, and there will be 100% results for this journey. Then comes Power, the next card. Power indeed. So, yes, claim your power back. You have the power to manifest in your reality. That is, power is something which I learned by coming into the teachings of love, teachings of union, that how can I come into my power? It was literally taught to me. I understood how to come into my power and create my own reality. So come and learn this. This is what I invite everyone into, that come and learn how to come into your power, which will really help you. Love is the power, love is the key. And it's very important that you have to unlock that key in the core of your heart. And that is something which you can do with professional support and professional help. So come and unlock your power. You do have the power to create in your reality. Next card is Illumination. This is important, that you put light on your path, and only divine can put light on your path. It is not your masculine, it is not you who can put light onto your path, who can tell you which direction to go. It is divine. So call in the divine support, connect to your divinity, connect to whatever you believe in, and call in the support and put light on the journey. If you are thinking how to go about it, it might be a little this way, that way. But if you have proper wisdom and divine guidance, then there is no cloudiness. There is no question on, am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the wrong thing? It's just that you know when you know, and you walk forward. Allow divine to put light on your path. The next card, not the last card, there is more. Because the last bit is really juicy. So the next card is simplicity. So simplicity here, it's an angel wing that or a feather in a clear blue sky. What I am seeing here is clear all the clutter and allow the spirit to come in, allow the love to come in, allow your divinity to come in. Clear all the clutter of and non peace, whatever doesn't feel good within your heart, within yourself. Just clear it right now with me, with a breath, and also make a choice to go deeper in clearing this clutter so that you can make space for your divinity, your spirit. When you make space for your divinity, your spirit, one magic happens. That is, your person appears and says, yes, I do. This is what the card is telling me. So make space for the spirit in you, ground into your union and the spirit of the union, and honor it and make space for it in your heart. Beautiful card. As you go forward, there is a huge surprise. That's what's coming up, because there's a light here. The card shows that the card is showing that there's a path, a journey. If you want to take the journey, you can also try the starter course of Twin Flames Universe. So take the journey, move forward. There's a beautiful path, and in the end, there's light. So it seems like there's a surprise kept for you there. There's a lot of good things kept for you if you take the journey, just like how I did. It's interesting. And taking risks, your masculine is ready to take the risk to be with you, even though it's against all odds, as per the society, as per the programming. There might be no chance on earth that both of you can come together, but your masculine is setting himself free and really taking the risk. A lot of courage. I see a lot of courage in him. This is beautiful. If you take the journey, your masculine is going to break through and just fly. There's an eagle here. He's going to fly into your life and, come and claim you undoubtedly. He's ready to take the risk and be with you. It's a risk in the sense of, it requires a lot of courage to choose yourself, to choose love, and to choose the person who you love. So, well, he will be doing this. That is the divine surprise here. This is beautiful. I did not see that coming, that a last card coming in for masculine's choice. This is very, very beautiful. And the last card here is blessings. It is a blessed journey. There is only blessings in the journey. Your negative feelings that you felt, or the bad feelings you have felt, or the triggers that you have had, it's all worth it once you are grounded in your union, once you have taken the next step and the next step, once you receive the fruit every time, it's worth it. And there is blessings after blessings, and there is a blessing coming up next. Looks like you have reached the end of your cycle. You're ready to claim your fruit. You're ready to enjoy your going with your masculine. He's also ready for you. He's open winged, open armed to take you in and say, yes, you're my queen, you are my everything, I want you, I claim you. Very powerful, but very brave version of him. And blessings indeed, lots of blessings. So earlier, your masculine seemed like very very unconventional and very timid and shy. Now they're not going to be shy anymore. They are opening their wings out loud and taking the risk to come close to you. If you continue walking your journey and focus on your power, like I explained, and the blessings are on your way. So, with that, may blessings be showered to all of you. Thank you so much. Do not forget to leave a like.